Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can color code your emails in Gmail apps. So here I've already opened the Gmails on my computer, on my browsers right here. And to create a color code label, first you need to, for example, you need to create a label first. So you're going to go to the left panel in here, and under the labels you can just click on the plus icon here to create a new label. For example, I'm going to just write example as the label like this. Now click on create, and just like that the label will be created. And if you want to color code it, you can just click on the three dots icon beside the name of the label, and here you can see the label color. You can just go pick the color that you want, or you can also add a custom color. So for example, I'm going to go with orange here for the example label, and for the Netflix here, for example, I'm going to change it into red, and the work here I'm going to change it into green. And just like that, it will be change, or it will be color label like this. And if you want to mark something into a certain color label, you can just pick on the email. For example, in here I'm going to pick on this, for example this emails, and then you can just click on the three dots icon at the top to see the more options, and you can see label as I'm going to label it as work, for example. Now just like that, it will be color code as green. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.